I really didn't know that it was going to be such a big issue because I've heard of diabetics having babies, but I also had kidney failure, so it was a little bit harder. And I saw a local OBGYN in our town, and she recommended the doctors to help me a little bit better than she could. At first they didn't expect the greatest outcome for me, and it was kind of either to choose to save my life, but I decided to go on because I never want to live a what-if life.
She got so bad that she was hospitalized. They couldn't keep her swelling down, her blood pressure or blood sugars, anything regulated, so she was hospitalized for 3.5 months.
We decided to keep going on, just take one day at a time, and I lasted to 32 weeks.
It came to a point to where medically nothing was making sense with anything that was going on, and I asked her, because there was talk about about giving up,
right.
And I had asked her how she felt, what she thought, and she said she just wants to take it one day at a time. And under very close observation by all these doctors, this great team, that's what we did for the next 3.5 months. We took it one day at a time, and the end result is our beautiful little son.
He's great. He's very healthy, and so far no problems. I'm so grateful for the care that we got, but also for the support too, from all the nurses and the doctors in the hospital. And it was very scary every day, and we didn't know if we were going to make it or if Landon was going to make it here, and I was willing to take whatever risk came along. The best advice that I can give is to follow your heart. Just follow your heart and go with your gut feeling with what you think is right. And I did that. I did that against some of the doctors' words, but I'm very grateful for the outcome and would never have made any other choice but the choice that I did make to keep going. Holding my baby for the first time, and especially hearing him cry for the first time, just took my breath away and just made my heart complete, knowing that he was here and I got to hear him and actually see the little boy that was growing inside of me against all odds. And I don't think that Landon would be here, and maybe not even me, because there was a lot of bumps in the road that we had to face during the pregnancy and my stay in the hospital, but with every one of the doctors helped me and made good decisions to take care of me the way they did.
Our story is proof that anything's possible against all odds. You can do it, and if there's a way, this medical group can find out how to do it and make it happen.